Yon world, what's the deal? It's your boy Original Dion, and today on my YouTube channel, I'm about to launch my Adobe Flash Player campaign. I made a video yesterday showing y'all how to turn $100 into $5,000. Now we about to do a live campaign. I'm gonna make a bunch of videos showing y'all the process. Then I'm gonna also take all of the videos at the end and make one video. So I went ahead and I chose this Adobe Flash Player campaign, 380 per lead, only because the visual was different. It's like this Flash Player. I think a lot of people have seen this before, and it's the real Adobe Flash Player logo. Other than the other Flash Player I was showing y'all yesterday for $5, it has a Chrome logo right there. But we're going to be promoting to Mac Safari browsers. So I think it's better if, you know, it's the red logo. So I'm going to try. Well, I'm about to launch this campaign. I'm not about to try. I'm about to launch this campaign in, you know, the Adobe Flash Player. We're doing it for $380 per download. You see all traffic. See, I'm paying $1 per 1,000. So we should get 100,000 impressions. We got 390,000 impressions available to us. I got it all set up, desktop, Mac, everything. So we about to launch, save and launch this campaign. So stay with me. I'm gonna be updating y'all on everything. I'm gonna let y'all know the entire process, how much money I made, everything. So we about to launch it right now. But leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy. I'm out. Peace.